welcome back to my channel Competitive Botany. In this video, we are going to see important MCQs from plant physiology. So the actual topic is water potential. So let's see the questions one by one. Psi W, nothing but water potential, is equal to psi S, that means solute potential. In options are partly turgid cell, dead cell, flaccid cell, turgid cell. So, before going to solve the answer, psi W and psi S are, psi W is water potential, psi S is solute potential. They are directly proportional to each other. Okay. So, in the case of flaccid cell, so water potential becomes equal to solute potential. So, the correct answer is flaccid cell. Okay. So let's see the next question. The magnitude of change in water potential due to the presence of solute is called. Options are water potential, solute potential, pressure potential. So here you have to choose the correct one. Before going to solve the answer, you know one thing, that is either ionic or non-ionic substances such as solutes. If they dissolved in pure water, then the water potential decreases. So water potential value of pure water is 0. So the decreased value should be negative. So this decreased water potential is called as solute potential, also called as osmotic potential. So here the answer is osmotic potential is the correct answer. So let's see the next question. The movement of water from a region of higher water potential to a region of lower water potential is driven by. Options are transpiration, active transport, osmosis, root pressure. So the correct answer is osmosis. So the movement of water from a region of higher water potential to a region of lower water potential is nothing but osmosis. So according to the water potential gradient we are talking. So if we talk a concentration gradient, that means solute concentration gradient, then the movement of molecules from the lower concentration to the high concentration. So you should remember that. Okay. So let's see the next question. Plant cells do not burst in distilled water because. So the options are cell wall is the outermost layer in plant cell. Cell wall is permeable. Cell wall exerts equal and opposite pressure. Cell wall is living. Okay. So if you kept a plant cell in low concentrated solution, what will happen? So if you place a plant cell in a low concentrated solution, then what happens? Endosmosis occurs. That means water diffuses into the cell. Okay. So then what happens? The cell becomes turgid. Due to the turgid condition, the pressure develops inside the cell. That is called turgor pressure. So the turgor pressure causing actually enlargement of the cell. It causes enlarging of plasma membrane. Okay. So enlargement of plasma membrane. In plant cells, outer to the plasma membrane, there is a cell wall actually. You all know that. Plant cells are having outer boundary such as cell wall. Okay. So there is cell wall in plant cells outer to the plasma membrane. Now cell wall pushes enlarging plasma membrane inside. Okay, it pushes inside. Okay, so this pressure created by cell wall, that is called wall pressure. Turgor pressure and wall pressure, they are equal but in opposite direction. They are opposite to each other. Okay. So that's why the plant cell does not swell. even when kept in hypotonic, that means low concentrated solution. Why? Because plant cells are having cell walls outside the plasma membrane. They exert the same pressure on the plasma membrane, so that doesn't cause the turgidity or swelling of plant cells. Okay, that doesn't allows the swelling of plant cells. Okay, so both are equal but in opposite direction. That is called a wall pressure created by cell walls. Okay, so here the correct answer is cell wall exerts equal and opposite pressure. Okay, so that is the answer. Let's see the next question. Which plant cell component is responsible for generating turgor pressure? Okay, so here the correct answer is vacuole. So plant vacuole is a large membrane bound vesicle. You can see the picture. So which is a large membrane bound vesicle present in the cytoplasm. So this is the vacuole. Okay, so it contains water, inorganic molecules. It contains water and inorganic molecules. It maintains turgor pressure by regulating the osmotic flow of the water. So now we are going to see the question. So the plant cell component which is responsible for creating turgor pressure, that is nothing but vacuole. In plant cells there is a bigger vacuoles are present. Okay, so let's see the next question. The process of water moving through a plant from cell to cell is known as. Options are transpiration stream, bulk flow, capillary movement, osmotic flow. So the correct answer is bulk flow is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. How does addition of solutes like salts affect the water potential of a solution? So options are has no effect on water potential, increases water potential, decreases water potential. So the correct answer is, so if you add salts to the solution, so if you add solute to the solvent, then water potential decreases. Okay, so let's see the next question. What is the primary function of the Casparian strip in plant roots? So options are enhance nutrient absorption, facilitate water uptake, prevent bulk flow of water in the xylem, regulate transpiration. So the correct answer is it prevent bulk flow of water in the xylem. Okay. So let's see the next question. The magnitude of change in water potential due to the development of pressure is. Options are osmotic pressure, osmotic potential, water potential, pressure potential. So when solutes added to the pure water, the water potential decreases. Okay, so the water potential of a pure water is 0. So the decreased water potential is in minus situations, minus conditions, okay, minus values. This this decrease of water potential is known as solute potential or also called as osmotic potential. So the decrease of water potential is nothing but osmotic potential, also called as solute potential. So let's see the next question. Osmotic pressure of a solution increases when it is kept in. So here the correct answer is hypotonic solution. When the plant cell is kept in a lower concentrated solution, what happens? Endosmosis occurs, cell become turgid, then solute increases, solution increases when it is placed in hypotonic solution, nothing but low concentrated solution. Then it causes uh, osmotic pressure inside the cell. Okay, let's see the next question. Which type of substances involved in facilitated diffusion? Options are lipid soluble, non-polar substances, solutes with hydrophilic group. Okay, so solutes with hydrophilic group substances, they are involved in facilitated diffusion. They move across the membrane by a facilitated diffusion. That means through proteins they enter into the cell. Okay, So let's see the next question. Movement of the molecules of solids, gases or liquids from the region of their higher concentration to the region of their lower concentration is known as. Options are diffusion, osmosis, imbibition, active transport. So here the correct answer is diffusion. Movement of molecules from the high concentration to the lower concentration is nothing but diffusion. Let's see the next question. Facilitated diffusion needs ATP, a carrier protein. It is an active process, aquaporins. So the correct answer is a carrier protein. Facilitated diffusion requires a carrier protein present inside the membrane. Okay, it allows the movement of molecules, the passage of molecules inside of the cell. Okay, so let's see the next question. The smaller lipid soluble molecule diffuse faster through cell membrane, but the movement of hydrophilic substances is facilitated certain transporters which are chemically. So as I told you, so that the proteins embedded in the plasma membrane, they allow the particles inside and outside. They are nothing but proteins chemically. Okay. So let's see the next question. When a plant part nutrients maybe undergo senescence, the nutrients may be dash senesced part. Nutrients may be translocated to or exported to or withdrawn from none of these. So the correct answer is the nutrients they withdrawn from the region of senesced part to normal part. So the correct answer is withdrawn from. Okay, let's see the next question. Give the relation between psi W, psi S, psi P. So here I'm going to reveal the answer. Psi W is equal to psi S plus psi P is the correct answer. Okay, let's see the next question. If a plant cell has psi S value of 10 minus 10 bars and psi P value of plus 5 bars, its water potential will be. Okay, so here I'm going to solve the question. Listen properly, listen, okay, carefully. Okay, here psi we have to determine. So we have to calculate the psi W value, nothing but water potential value. Psi W is equal to psi S plus psi P. Okay, psi W is equal to psi S plus psi P. So here psi S is equal to minus 10. Psi P is equal to plus 5. So the correct answer is minus 10 plus 5 is equal to minus 5. Okay, so if the plant cell has psi S minus 10, psi P plus 5, then water potential will be minus 5 bars. Okay, so that is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. In plasmolysed cell water potential will be. So I'm going to reveal the answer. As I told you before, in plasmolysed cell, water potential is equals to solute potential. Psi W is equal to psi S is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Mark the correct answer. In solutions, the value of water potential is considered to be negative. In solutions, the value of water potential is always considered to be positive. In solutions, the value of water potential may be positive or negative. In solutions, the value of water potential is 0. So here we have to pick the correct one. So in solutions, the value of water potential is always negative. We have already discussed this in the previous session, in the early session of this video. Okay. Let's see the next question. Choose the correct statement about osmosis. The exosmosis, water moves from higher water potential to the lower water potential. In endosmosis, water moves from lower water potential to the higher water potential. Osmosis occurs both in living and non-living systems. Osmosis is based on affinity between solvent molecules. So as I already told you that in exosmosis water moves from higher water potential to the lower water potential is the correct answer. First one is the correct answer. So if you really like this video, then please like the video and subscribe my channel. Share this video with your friends. Thank you.